How to change pickup location in Uber. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Uber on a device. Now on the home page, simply tap on enter pickup point. Now tap on enter. Now select the pickup location. You can also set location on the map. Now search for the location. Now select the location. Now select the destination location. Now once you confirm the location, then you have to change the location of the pickup. Now to do that, simply scroll down. Now tap on the default pickup location. Now enter the new pickup location. Now select the location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.